How to create account of Alibaba. Hello everyone, I am here to guide you how you can create the account of Alibaba. So if you want to create the account of Alibaba, first of all you have to navigate to your Play Store or Apple Store here. Once you are on your Play Store or Apple Store, and you have to go for the search bar and search for the Alibaba here. Once you have searched for the Alibaba, you have to download the alibaba.com. So the alibaba.com is the B2B marketplace. You have to download this. Once you have downloaded this, go for the open option here. So here you can see that. So if you have already an account, you have to go for the get started. If you don't have, go for the register or sign in. So sign up to get up to US $80 in coupons. So you can sign up to your account to get the US $80 coupons here. So if you want to sign up with your Google account, go for that. If you want to sign up with your Facebook account, go for that. Here you can choose any of the platform that you want here. So once you have choose the specific platform, go for the continue option, and here you can see that the interface has been loading. You have to wait, and here you can see that you have been successfully login and create the account of Alibaba here, and you can go for the search bar and search for the item that you want here. So with the help of this simple step, you can create the account of Alibaba here. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.